Essential for safe driving, enabling clear rear visibility and preventing accidents while reversing or changing lanes. My today's video is about top 5 best car rear view mirror wide-angle HD that's are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Joytutus car rear view mirror. This convex rear view mirror is a practical upgrade for improving driving safety and visibility. The wider angle design significantly reduces blind spots, making lane changes and reversing much more confident. It also helps monitor rear traffic more clearly, which is especially useful in busy roads and tight parking situations. For families, it's an added benefit to keep an eye on children in the back seat without distraction. The mirror quality is impressive, offering clear and undistorted reflections thanks to the high-definition glass. The clip-on universal design fits most vehicles, including cars, SUVs, vans, and trucks. Though checking size compatibility beforehand is important, installation is quick and hassle-free, taking only seconds without tools. The adjustable clip holds firmly in place, and the anti-fall packaging adds extra protection during transport. Overall, it's a simple yet effective safety accessory that improves visibility, comfort, and confidence while driving. Now our second product is Pelsee car rear view mirror. This mirror dashcam offers a serious upgrade in both safety and video quality. The dual camera setup with 4K front, Starvis IMX678, and 2.5K rear, Starvis IMX335, captures extremely sharp footage with strong low-light performance, making it reliable for both daytime and night driving. HDR and WDR further improve visibility in tricky lighting conditions like tunnels or night glare. The added ADAS and BSD features are a major advantage, providing real-time alerts for lane departure, forward collision, and blind spots. These functions genuinely enhance driver awareness, especially in heavy traffic. Connectivity is smooth thanks to dual-band Wi-Fi, and video transfer through the app is fast and convenient. The multiple control options, touch, voice, and app, make daily use flexible and user-friendly. Parking mode with full-color night vision is another standout feature for security when parked. Overall, it's a feature-rich, safety-focused dashcam mirror designed for modern driving needs. Our third product is Singaro car rear view mirror. This convex rear view mirror is a practical and affordable upgrade for improving driving safety. The wider angle view helps reduce blind spots significantly, making lane changes, reversing, and general rear visibility much easier and safer. It also improves awareness of backseat passengers, which is useful for families. The upgraded anti-glare white mirror design is a thoughtful improvement, especially for night driving, as it reduces eye strain while still maintaining clear visibility. The reflection is sharp and distortion-free, which adds confidence when monitoring traffic behind you. Installation is very simple thanks to the clip-on design. No tools are required, and it fits securely on most standard mirrors across cars, SUVs, and trucks. The universal compatibility is another strong point. Overall, it's a straightforward but effective safety accessory that enhances visibility, reduces driving stress, and improves comfort both day and night. Now number 4, Joytutus car rear view mirror. This convex rear view mirror is a practical upgrade for improving overall driving safety and visibility. The extended 11.81-inch design provides a noticeably wider field of view, helping to reduce blind spots and make lane changes and reversing much safer. It also improves rear seat visibility, which is especially useful for families with children. The nearly flat, high-definition glass delivers clear and accurate reflections without distortion, giving more confidence when checking traffic behind. The universal clip-on design fits most cars, SUVs, vans, and trucks, though it's important to confirm compatibility with your original mirror shape before purchase. Installation is extremely quick, just a few seconds with no tools required, and the adjustable clip holds it firmly in place without damaging the original mirror. The anti-fall packaging is also a nice touch, ensuring safe delivery. Overall, it's a simple but effective safety accessory that enhances visibility and driving comfort in everyday use. And our last choice is HmmtyRack car rear view mirror. This panoramic rear view mirror is a solid upgrade for improving driving visibility and safety. The convex wide-angle design expands the field of view by about 30, which noticeably reduces blind spots and makes lane changes and reversing much more confident. It also helps monitor rear traffic and backseat passengers more clearly. The chrome-coated surface is a strong advantage, offering better anti-glare performance compared to standard clear or blue mirrors. It helps reduce headlight glare at night while still maintaining good visibility, improving overall driving comfort. The HD glass provides a clear, distortion-free reflection, making the rear view more natural and easy to read. Installation is very simple, just clip it on in seconds without tools, and it fits most vehicles like SUVs, vans, and pickup trucks. The anti-slip clip design keeps it stable even on rough roads, preventing shaking. Overall, it's a practical, safety-focused accessory that improves visibility in everyday driving conditions. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.